Do, 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 do. Alright, just starting to say alright. As I'm about to say, the stream starts. So, hello everyone for another day of me making a visual novel. I'm Zelf, I'm making a visual novel in 30 days, and this is the 5th day. Yes, I still can count more than 2, so no. Valve school of counting numbers, but how do I explain today? I try to have a lot of progress in the story, and as you can see, I tried, but the good thing, however, is that I revised a little bit of the text again, well, and I did write a little bit. I didn't finish the scene yet, but it's close to it, so at least that. And I started messing with Rampai's code, as you can see there. Let me just can go a minute. As you can see, part of this was already written in the script, but I started noting the characters as variables, so they are already written. I still, of course, have to have images to really make a visual abilities. I started like messing with it and seeing what I can do, how I make things appear. I don't need to make this for every dialogue. I could make just, I won't be starting everything with quotation marks. Dialogue's gonna be like without quotation marks, and anything that I write in thought, the character's thought's gonna be with parentheses. So yeah, I do want to finish writing before I really put in any code, because it's easier to revise the text in the text editor than the code editor. Yeah, if it's starting to sound repetitive of me saying, oh, today is like hard day to do anything, I woke up not wanting to do anything at all, just watching YouTube. Welcome to my life. Almost every day is like this, and I have been doing this for like years. This is why I'm fucking tired, and I need like $1 million in vacations. But the $1 million would already help a lot. Vacations are optional. But yeah, you know that episode of Doctor Who where it's, I think, I don't know what's called, Doctor Who Hellbent. Yep, that episode of Doctor Who called Hellbent. I think Hellbent or Heaven Sent, actually. It's one of Heaven Sent. Yes, Heaven Sent. That's the one. Where he basically, it's spoiler, but basically has to break a wall of like this thing that it's harder than a diamond, and he has to do it like punching with his hands. Yeah, that's what I feel like a lot of the time to do anything. Not always, of course, but that episode and the metaphor of punching a brick wall with your bare hands, and also the metaphor of the bird like chipping his beak in the sharpening his beak in the mountain and over time and go through. That will feels like sometimes that I have to like go through this ridiculous obstacle just to have basic shit done. Not everything, like I said, my routine is fine, I can do it no problem, but anything other than that, like, annoying, difficult, like, yeah, this image here, actually, let me show it. Uh, this image here, this is the mood today a little bit, more yesterday and the day before than it is now, but still like this is more or less what it feels sometimes. So and just so people know visually what I'm talking about, uh this is the episode I'm talking about, and this image is what feels like this is the obstacle for me starting to do anything metaphorically. Of course, literally, I'm not being physically incapable of doing things, just, you know, it's why I'm explaining what a metaphor is. You get it? Since I was planning to finish the scene yesterday and still today, and uh one day I'm gonna learn how to make a complete sentence, but I will do that after this visual novel. But basically, I plan to finish this scene and write another one, and I should actually have a TTRPG game session today. But considering that the game is being hard to find people to play, and the people that are coming are having busy lives and can't always come, there is a possibility that the game will die, sadly, which is very sad because it happens in a post-apocalypse setting that I made, of a zombie apocalypse setting, with really weird zombies and really cool stuff to explore, and I couldn't run the fucking game. But yeah, it happens sometimes, honestly. I'm just hoping to either find more people, anyway, get another people another time, another moment. I have several TTRPG games, one dying isn't the end of the world. In fact, if I could have less in my life, it would be ideal, actually. I just didn't want this one particular to end, but again, it happens, not the end of the world, but yeah. I don't know why you're expecting that, but I was expecting that somehow, some miraculous way, I was going to manage to write everything like a week. And I think I didn't get everything. And there we go. And I clearly ain't there yet, so who knows. One thing I'm hoping is after writing this, as soon as I start drawing what I need to draw, I can like not just stream me drawing, but maybe hear it uh videos or streams or anything like that while I draw. Mostly because I can't do that with writing, because obviously hearing the words gets in the way of me writing and understanding other words. So I think that's everyone, and I don't know any person that can like hear words and write at the same time, unless they are writing the words they are hearing, of course, or they are completely blocking out what the person's saying. I know some people can kind of sort of do that, but like, if you can, you are a wizard to me. I don't know how you do that. If I'm writing something else and listening to something, I do one or the other. I can like, unless again if I hear what the person is saying or the words that are being said, and I'm writing those words, that I can do that fine. But like different subject matters, no. Uh, well, yeah. Today I just started to mess a little bit with Rampire, with its documentation and stuff like that. It's ridiculous simple. Like, okay, I went through. Like, I was gonna say I have a computer science degree. No, I don't. Uh, I don't know if I wish I had, but anyway. Uh, Basically, even though I have a little bit of background and experience with programming, not that much, it wasn't anything special, but this is still like piece easy, simple. Anyone, literally anyone can do this. Oh, but here it's colors in hexadecimal. That's not a problem. That legit. Uh, Here I'm gonna show you. If you need colors, you can go on Google hexa code color. There's the this HTML color code. You can put any color you want, any way. Copy this here. Then you go to Rampy and put the code here. There. I'm actually gonna show it. This isn't even a prototype, it's just me messing with things, but basically where there we go. Alright, so the background and the sprite here are just the default, and the first line of dialogue that I set up then with the color for each character and the pause of the text is just like so easy to do, you know. There you go, that's it. Wow, so hard, almost couldn't do it. And that's literally it. It's the program was made to be as simple as possible, so you don't have to worry about programming super advanced stuff. You can, of course, but you can just define a character that's a variable, some attributes like the display name. This variable here is just so you don't have to type the name of the character every time. Super annoying. No, just put one letter there, and it says for spider, by the way, because Ninja Spider Nohan starts the same letter, so S for spider. And with that done, you put the colors. You can put like things that will always start the sentence. So for instance, you can put this character to always start and end suffix. with parentheses. Let's suppose this one. I'm just gonna copy this for, oops. Like this is how I'm gonna put commas here, not commas, quotation marks. This is how simple it is, right? It's not a window I wanna show. No. There we go. Alright. See, I didn't put anything in the code here in the text, but since this character has this attribute here, I can start his dialogue always with parentheses, start and end. I fucked up something. Hang on. Alright, I fucked up in the suffix thing, but the principle is the same. Oh no, I didn't. Just forget that I had to wait there. So like this start and end with the quotation marks, and the others don't. So I can just no. I actually want to test something, because there is ways to format the text that, like putting in bold or italic. So let's see if that works. Again, just messing with it instead of procrastinating. We rampage instead of just there. Oh, it works. Nice. So yeah, it's made to be so simple, because not everyone that is a writer is a programmer. So this is very easy to like make compared to literally any other programming language, be honest. So you don't have to worry about you have to worry about like syntax and things like that, but not as much as other programming languages. Think fuck, if I had to end every fucking thing with with this fucking, I just wouldn't. I can't do this again with myself. But the good thing is that Python, it's kind to people mostly. So yeah. Again, and I still have to do a lot of things before the game's even playable, but at least in terms of the code, what I can see is gonna be super easy. It's gonna be literally the easiest part for me. Again, not much because of background in programming and all that helps, sure, but mostly because writing I procrastinate a lot, drawing I'm slow as fuck, programming, the program and the language does all the work for me. I don't have to have much problem with that, at least. Choosing songs and sound effects should be easy. Actually, choosing songs would probably be very time demanding, because I have to cycle through a quadrillion songs searching one, and it would be a bit annoying, but not difficult, just a lot of work. Maybe I use some of the songs I streamed. The stream, there's the now playing thing that here. Oops. There's the name of the artist and the name of the song going through now. So that's some free songs I can use. They if you go to the actual channel, yay. If you go to the actual channel, I don't remember where, but I remember asking him if I could use in the videos along to credit him. So if I put this in a game, of course I would contact the person first. I'm not gonna do this just because I feel like it, but after contacting the person, of course, I'll maybe use some of his songs and other people's songs in the game with proper credit, obviously. Because I know some channels that have their songs free for people to use. I actually can. I remember showing this, I think, the first stream when I was rambling a lot. But yeah. But channels like this one, now every song of them is copyright free. You have to look at the description and stuff like that to see, and give proper credit and things like that. Documentaries. So here, specifying YouTube videos, film presentation, documentaries. I will of course ask everyone that to like, I can use your music for this visual novel, whatever. If I find any of their songs fitting, which maybe, probably. But there are also other resources and website that can get free songs. There is Kevin, I forgot his last name. Kevin, is this how you write it? Yep. This guy is a fucking legend. He made like 1 quadrillion songs, over 2000. Holy fucking shit. They're free from copyright. That's actually insane. And only 52. Like, oh my god, man, you are the king. And his songs can be found here, and they are free to use. There's of course credit, blah blah blah, but there's a lot of good songs here as well. If you spend any time YouTube, you heard them, of course. In any case, I'm gonna try to power through finishing the scenes. Yeah. In any case, writing wise, I didn't do that much, but at least I have in progress. I'm still being able to write some more of the scene. I think I'm getting close to the end of it, so I can start the scene with Nohan and Zach's insecurity with his masculinity. And anyway, yeah, I think that's the daily report of me doing the visual novel in 30 days. And I hope everyone enjoy watching. Yes, I'm ending this sooner than most because I'm still want to actually write, because I said yesterday I'm gonna write, I didn't write it yesterday anymore, just a little bit in the afternoon, then not anymore. Oops. And yep, hopefully I can keep writing more today and get this done. So yep, thank you for watching and see you all tomorrow.